This is at the 500 combined Sentra. Have ourselves a nice little lobby here, but anyway. We have elevators to ride. Now, there are 3 buildings, just like this one, but they all look the same. And the elevators are all the same, give or take a floor. So I'm only gonna film this one, but here they are.
First floor going up.
And they used to be Haughton. Unfortunately, not anymore. These are actually really nice cabs. Obviously not original, but I like them. All right, up to 6.
Sixth floor.
6th floor. Down to LL. Stopping on 4.
Fourth floor going down.
Going down. What floor?
Going down.
1?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just doing a project, that's all. Take care.
First floor going down.
Thank you.
Back up to 1.
Lower level.
Lower level. Oh, interesting. That one is single slide and that one's center opening. Wonder why. It's a JLL building. So, no surprise that it's modded. Thanks for interrupting me.